Okay, so in pre-order traversal, it follows a rule VLR. V means visit the current node, L means move left side, R move right side. So basically, first step is the process the route. Then the second step is traverse the left subtree of R in pre-order. Means this pre-order method will be recursively called over here for the left child node. Similarly, and the third part is traverse the right subtree of R in pre-order, and the third step is again recursively call this the same method, pre-order method, for the right child of R. So basically these recursive methods will be called again and again, and finally we will get the pre-order traversal of a tree. Similarly, in case of in-order traversal, it follows a rule: move left side, then visit the node, current node, and then move right sides. So basically, first we recursively call the same method, in-order method, for the left child of left subtree of root R. Then we visit the node, process the node, current node, and the third is again we recursively call the same method, in-order method, for the right subtree of R. So after the last step, we will get the in-order traversal of a binary tree. Similarly, the post-order traversal, it follows LRV. Just see the difference between these three, in between these three. So here in pre-order means first we visit, first visit. In order means in between visit, and in post-order we visit at the last. So V term comes after last here. In case of in order, V visit comes in between, and for pre-order it comes at the first. So in post-order traversal, again traverse the left subtree. L for move left means traverse the left subtree of R in post order. Then R move right side means traverse the right subtree of R in post order. Then finally V means visit the node, process the root node. So taking this example of binary tree, we will see how we can find out the pre-order, post-order, and in-order traversal of a binary tree. Just see, this is your the target binary tree for which you have to find out the pre-order, in-order, and post-order traversal. So pre-order, I already have told you that it follows VLR process. Means first visit the node, then move left side, and then move right side. So you have to start from the root node. So your root node is A. So VLR method will be called for the root node A. Means it says that first visit the node. So node is A, so A will be visited first. Now the second part is saying move left side. So left side is what? B. So it will move B. Again, this node, this method will be, this function will be called, recursively called. So VLR will be called over here again. So VLR says that first visit the node, so B will be visited here. Again VLR, the second part is says move left side. So you will move left side. So left side is D. So you will move here on D. So now D, on D again VLR will be called. So VLR says that first visit the node. So D will be visited first. Now again the second part says move left. So left of D is what? F. So it will move to left, any F. It will move here to F. Again for F, VLR will be called, and VLR says that first visit the node. So F will be visited. Okay. Now the second part is for this node. Second part is move left. So there is no any left child. The third part says that move right side. There is no any right child. So all VLR 3 steps is completed for this node F. Again backtrack. Again come back to the previous node. What are the steps completed for this node? You have visited this node and you have also moved to the left side. The remaining step is move right side. So for D, you do not have any right child for D. So now VLR is also complete for this node. Now come back to the previous node. For B, two steps are completed. You have visited this node and you have also moved to the left side. So the third part is remaining. So the third part is what? Third part is move right side. So you will move right side here. Again, this is a new node. So again VLR will be called. So VLR says first visit the node. So E will be visited. Now again the second part is move left side. You will move left side, G. Here, again VLR will be called. So VLR says first visit the node, G is visited. Then second party says move left side, no left side, move right side, no right side. So VLR is completed for this node G. Now again come back to this node E. So what are the steps completed for this node E? You have visited this node, you have moved to left side, and the remaining part is move right side. So you will move right side. So again VLR will be called, again H will be visited. So move left side, no left side, move right side, no right side. Again you will come back to this previous node. Here the two steps are completed, visit the node and move left side. The third part is remaining, move right side. Here again this is new node, so VLR will be called, again visit the node, C will be visited, then move left. Here again VLR will be called, move node, visit the node, so I will be visited. Now again move left, the second part, move left, no left child, move right, yes there is a right child, so you will move here. So on M, you again VLR will be called, so you will visit the node M, okay, then move left side, no left side, move right side, no right side. So all VLR is completed for it, and for this also VLR is completed. Now for this only two are completed, visit and the move left side, and move right side is remaining, so you will move here. Again VLR will be called and visit the node, J will be visited here. Again move left, you will move here. Again VLR will be called, so visit the node, so K will be visited. Again visit left, no, move left, right, no right, then again come back. So VLR is completed for it. Now come back to this node, V is completed, L is completed, R is remaining, so we'll move right side here. So again VLR is called, so L will be visited, and no left side, no right side, we will stop here. So this is how you can find out the pre-order traversal of this binary tree. Now we will see how we can find out the in-order traversal. So basically in-order traversal follows LVR method. Sorry, in-order traversal LVR method. Okay, so here the visit comes in between L and R. So first you have to move left side, then you have to visit, then you have to move right side. This is see how we can find out the in-order traversal of this binary tree. So you will start from the root node. So root node is LVR is called. So LVR is saying move left, first move left side without visiting this node. So you will move left side. Again LVR will be called, so move left side. Again LVR will be called, so move left side. Again LVR will be called, so move left side, no left child. Then the second part is LVR. The second part of LVR is you have completed L, so second part is V. So visit the node. So second part is visit the node, so E will be visited here. Now move right. There is no any right, so LVR is completed for it. Now come back to this node. L is completed, but V and R is remaining. So second part is V, means visit the node. So D will be visited. Again R is remaining, so move right, no right child. So LVR is completed for D. Now come back to the B. What is completed for B? Move left, you have moved left, left is completed. Visit, you have not visited till now B. So now visit the node, so B is visited. Then move right, here. Again E is the fresh node, so LVR is again called. So LVR is saying move left first. Then you will move left. फिर LVR is called for G also, then move left, no left, then second part is visit, so G will be visited. Then third part is right, move right, no right node. Again come back to this. इसलिए for this L is completed, but V and R, last two terms are not completed. So we says that visit the node, so E will be visited. Now move right side here. Again LVR will be called, move left, no left child, then visit, H is visited, then move right side, no right child, so LVR is completed for us. Again come back to this node A. For this node L is completed, but V and R, both these two terms are not completed. So visit the node, so A is visited. Then move right, then we'll move right here. For this is fresh node, so LVR will be called. So LVR will be called, so move left. Here again LVR will be called, so move left, no left child node. Then second part says visit the node, so I will be visited. Then again move right, you will come back, you will come to M. Here again this is fresh node, so LVR will be called. So move left, no left, visit, M will be visited. Then move right, no right child. So LVR is complete for M. Again come back to this node. Here L is completed but V and R is remaining. So visit the node. So C will be visited. Then move right here. Again LVR will be called. Then move left. Again LVR will be called. So move left, no left. Then visit. So K will be visited. Then move right, no right child. LVR is complete for it. For this node only L is completed. The next two in V and R. So visit the node. So J will be visited. J will be visited. Now move right. So we'll come here. Move left, no left child node. Again visit the node. So L will be visited. And then move right, no right. So this is how, this is your complete in order traversal. See, this is how you can find out the in order traversal of a binary tree. Finally, the post order traversal of a tree. In post order traversal, as this word says that the visit will be post after iterations. So basically this follows L, move left, then move right, and finally at the last visit the node. So it post visit the nodes basically. Now how? So you will start from the root node. So root node is A. So LRV will be called. LRV is saying move left, first move left, then move left. Here again LRV will be called, then move left. D. Again LRV will be called, then move left. Again LRV will be called, move left, no left. Then second part is says move right. So there is no any right child for E. Okay, third part is said visit. Now visit the node, so E will be visited here. Now come back to the previous node D. So L is completed, yes. R is completed, move right, no right child node, then visit, then D will be visited. Now come back to the B. The L part is completed for this node. R and V is remaining. So next is move right. So we'll come here. So E is the fresh node. So LRV will be called again. So now LRV is saying that move left, first move left. L comes first. So you will come to the left side. So you will come to G. Now again LRV will call, you will move left side, no left child. Then next part is R, move right side, no right child. Then visit. Now G is visited. Okay. Now come back to the E. L part is completed. Then next two part R and V both are not completed. So move right. So you will come here H. You will come here H. Then again LRV will call. LRV says that first move left, no left child. Then move right, no right child. Then visit the node. So H will be visited here. Okay. Now come back to E. Its two parts are completed. First any move left is done. Movement of to the right is done. Now the third part is visit. So visit the node. It is remaining. So visit the node E is. Now come back to this B. L is completed, R is completed, but V is not completed. So now B will be visit here. Now come back to this. It's L is completed, but its second part, that is R. Second part R. For A, R and V both are not completed. So now first it says move or right. You will move right here. Again you will call LRV. So you will move left. Again you will call LRV, move left, no left. Move, then second part is move right. You will move right here. Again this is fresh node. So LRV will be called. So move left, no left child. Move right, no right child. Then visit the node. So now M will be visited here. Now come back to this. L part is completed, R part is completed, but V is not completed. So I will be visited here. Now come back to this. L part is completed. The remaining two R and V is not completed. So you will move to right. So you will move to right means you will come to J here. Now LRV, since J is a fresh node, so again LRV will be called here. So you will move left side. Again LRV will be called. You will move left side. No. You will move right side, no right child, then visit the node. So K will be visited. Again come back to this. L is completed, but R and V both are not completed. R says that move right side. You will come here. Again LRV will be called here. Move left, no left child. Move right, no right child. Visit the node L and come back to this. L is completed, R is completed, but V is not completed. So J is visited here. So now this is J, and again come back to this. L is completed, R is completed, but V is not completed, so this will be visited again, and come back to this A. Is for A, L is completed, R is completed, but V is not completed, so finally A comes at the last. Just see, this is the post-order traversal of this binary. So what is the beauty of these three traversals? Just see, in pre-order traversals, the root node always comes at first. Similarly, in post-order traversal, the root node always comes at the last. And just see, in order traversal, what happens? The root node comes in between a sequence. So this is how you can find out the root node where it lies in pre-order, post-order, or in-order traversals. So what is the purpose of this discussion? The root node of this tree. If you are given a pre-order traversal and in-order traversal, and both using these two traversal or either these two traversal, you have to regenerate a binary tree. So using these expressions, using these traversals, you will have to find out its original binary tree that we will discuss in our further lecture. Thank you.